Ever missed that perfect photo because of bad lighting? Or struggled zooming in on distant subjects? Let me tell you about my secret weapon, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Picture this, I'm snapping pics at a nighttime event, worried about capturing decent shots, but thanks to Google's AI tech night sight video, my clicks turn into stunning low-light vids. And when I'm shooting wildlife, Super Res Zoom lets me get up close without needing an expensive lens. It literally feels like magic. Switching carriers? No sweat. Being unlocked means flexibility. I can hop between networks whenever I want. Plus, with Google's Tensor G4 chipset and 16GB RAM, multitasking feels buttery smooth. Gotta show off those crystal clear displays, right? Whether scrolling through social media or binge watching shows, the 120Hz refresh rate keeps everything silky and responsive. At $1,199, you might think twice. But trust me, the Pixel 9 Pro XL packs serious punch for its price. Ready to level up? Grab yours today and see the difference.